urgent weather message for the following county: Trumbull, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cortland, or 11 miles northeast of Warren, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kinsman around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Mecca and Johnston.